welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Pia. If you're coming from my Instagram, hi. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video, and I'm really just doing this because it's one of my favorite videos to watch. And I obviously know that we're all in quarantine, so no one is necessarily taking their bags anywhere other than hopefully the grocery store. But I still felt like showing it to you guys because this is one of my personal favorite videos to watch. I don't know why. I just like seeing what's in people's purses. So I felt like I would show you guys what would be in my bag if I were to go out. So the bag that I have today, this is the Chanel boy bag. This is the medium size. It's caviar leather with dark, like, gunmetal hardware. So I don't take this bag all the time. I'm just showing you what would be in this bag if I were to take it. If you guys watched my top 10 designer bags video that I just posted, you guys would have seen that I said I don't love carrying my boy bags every day because they're so heavy due to the chain. But I do love this bag when I do have like a lot of essentials I need to take with me. So let's just get started. So the first thing I would obviously have in here is my phone. So this is my phone, just an iPhone 10, and my sister is my screensaver. I'm like her screensaver, so I don't know. I don't necessarily think we planned that. I don't know why we did that. It just like, we just did, and now for the rest of our lives, we both told each other that like if we ever take each other off of our screens, the other person would be highly offended. So that's just that. And I also always have my portable charger with me. I obviously don't take this if I'm like going out at night, but it's always in my work bag. And if I ever bring this bag out with me, this is always in there as well. And this is the Ramos portable charger. This is like the third one I've bought because it's my absolute favorite portable charger in the world. It's so good. It has like, it comes with the wall plug in it. It has 2 USB plugins so that you can charge 2 phones. It looks like a Ramos suitcase. You can see that. And it's just, it's not too heavy. It's a little bit bulky, but it's not bad in comparison to the other ones that I've seen, and I just really like this one. First thing I would normally have in here is my AirPods. So I always have my AirPods with me. I have a cute little like pink AirPod case because I like to attach this part to like my keys or my gym bag if I'm at the gym. But I love my AirPods because I'm always talking to my friends on the phone, and when I'm walking around the grocery store or I'm basically just like walking around anywhere, having AirPods and just like talking on the phone or listening to music. I only listen to music if I'm at the gym. It's just so convenient, so I love these. Next thing I have in here, I have a weird phobia to dry hands. I think dry hands are like the worst thing. So I always have a hand cream. This one is just the Chanel hand cream. I like this one. It just smells really good. Do I think it's worth it? I mean, not really. It's not the best hand cream in the world, but it's pretty, like for your purse, and it smells really good. So, okay, so the next thing I have in this bag, the reason why I basically like stuff my boy bags, this particular one, my nude one, if you watched my video, I try not to stuff that because I try to avoid opening it at all times, honestly, because my nails could easily scratch the inside leather because it's lambskin, and I'm just too scared. That bag is like, I just need to be super gentle with it. This one I could be a little bit rougher with because it's all caviar inside and out. It's just a lot more durable, honestly. Anyways, the next thing I have in here is, so if I'm going out at night, I just carry this like little Chanel card holder with me, but during the day, I just take this everywhere. It's just a little Louis, I don't even know what this is called. It's just like the keychain, and it's super like affordable for Louis Vuitton. I think it's like $200, but it is the most convenient thing ever because you can attach your keys to it, and my gym tag, keys, and then everything fits in here. Like literally all my cards, everything I need. It's so perfect, and I love this. I've gifted it to my friends, I've gifted it to my cousin, so it's just like, It's so perfect, and mine's actually getting like a little bit worn because I've had it for like years. But I do just really love this, and it's super convenient, and you can take it everywhere with you. Next in here, so if you get headaches ever, usually I like to carry this with me if I know I'm going to be out all day. If I'm just going out at night, I really don't take like any headache anything with me because I'm only out for a few hours. But if I know I'm going to be out of my house all day, I like to bring this. This is the Sage Road to Wellness, and usually I would have like 2 Advils or ibuprofens in here, but I don't have any right now. But it just has essential oils. So it has, this is the peppermint halo. So if ever I'm like sleepy or driving and I have a headache, this is just so perfect. It's literally just a peppermint essential oil. If you get headaches, put it on your temples, behind your ears, on your wrists. So like all those pressure points. And then I also have, this is the pain release. So this is perfect if you get like tight shoulders, just any sort of pain. Just put that on. And then on the other side of it, I usually keep like medicine, like actual like pills. But I really try to avoid taking pills. I don't like it. And this one is just cute and convenient. I don't always take this with me, but if I remember, then I will. Next, I have cash. I always just like to keep extra cash on me. I have like in my car a little coin purse that always has ones in it in case I need to tip valet or... What the heck? That's so weird. Sorry, I thought someone was opening the door. So I always like to have a little bit of cash on me. And then I also have these wipes. These are just like phone sanitizing wipes. I like to keep a few of these on me at all times. These ones I got from Casetify. They sent them to me, but you know, you can get these like any like those alcohol swabs on Amazon. This I pretty much always bring with me day or night, and it's only if I'm wearing fake lashes, but I always, my lashes that I use are the Lily lashes in Luxe, and they're reusable. So I always bring the case with me because there is nothing worse than like wanting to take off your eyelashes but having nowhere to put them. Because typically if you put them in like a napkin, they're gonna get ruined. If you leave them in your car, then you probably end up losing one. So if you don't want to waste reusable lashes, just always keep the empty case with you. If your purse is too small, I leave it in my car. I just always have this. It's just really convenient because by the end of the night, by the end of the day, whatever it is, I just always want to rip these lashes off. Last thing I have in here is my makeup bag. This makeup bag, it doesn't matter what purse I'm wearing, this goes with me everywhere. It's not the cutest one, I will admit, but it is like the only one that's compact and like small enough that I found because it's like really thin mesh material that fits in any bag. It fits in my wallet on a chains. It fits in everything. So I always keep this with me. It's not always this full. Depending on the bag that I take, I empty some products out. But I'll just show you what I have in here. First thing is the Summer Fridays. This is the lip butter balm. They just came out with this. I have 2 tubes. So they actually sent me 1 tube, and then I bought this one because I want to have it with me at all times. It's like the best lip balm ever. Next, I always have like my current lip of the day in here, so it always is interchanging. But this is the KKW Beauty Subtle Nude Lip Crayon. I love KKW Beauty lip products. I think that she makes some of the best lip products. Her and Patrick Ta are my 2 favorites. Then I have this Mirror Nest lip gloss in number 73. This is probably one of my all-time favorite lip glosses. This is like my 3rd bullet, and I don't know why, the color just looks good on literally everyone. My friends, Sabina Delaney, they both wear this exact color too, and we're all completely different skin tones, and we all love it. So I love this. And then I always keep a mini perfume with me, especially if you're going out at night. I have like a bunch of travel size perfumes. I just like buying them. This one is my all-time favorite perfume in the world. It's Baccarat. It's Mason Francis Kirkjian MFK Baccarat Rouge 540. Best perfume ever. Their little travel sizes come in a set of 3, and then I also have the full-size bottle, and it's my favorite perfume. It smells, oh my gosh, it just smells like, it smells amazing. Oh, It smells so good. So if you ever wondered what I smell like, I pretty much always smell like this, or Gypsy Water, or Bal de Freak from Byredo. Those are like my top 3 scents. I am doing a perfume collection this week though, so you guys will see that. Okay, next thing, I always have these little makeup clips. They're just like the ones that don't mess up your hair. So you put them in, ooh, okay, I dropped one. But you just put them in like this, and I put them in every time I'm doing my makeup because it doesn't kink your hair and it just gets your hair out of your face. I do my makeup a lot like at a friend's house, so if I do, I just like having these. Let me pick that up. And then I always have Lash Glue. This is my favorite one. It's Duo Brush On Adhesive. It's just the white one. This is my favorite lash glue ever, and I always keep this on me. I always have a mini concealer with me. This is the NARS Mustard. This is the NARS Medium One Custard. It's a mini one. They sell them at Sephora in their like checkout aisles for $12, and I just like having a concealer with me. You never know when you want to touch up. Always have little tweezers. These are Tweezer Man. They're so cute, and you just never know when you're gonna need to pop an eyelash back on or get a stray eyebrow hair. I don't know. Tweezers are just always good. If you have a Swiss knife, that's really cool too. My friend Sabine always has a Swiss knife on her, and I really want one too, but I only want a Swiss knife from Switzerland because apparently that's a thing. That sounds so stupid saying it out loud, but her Swiss knife is from Switzerland, and she just told me, like, you can't get a Swiss knife unless it's from, like, you obviously can get it anywhere, but she's like, it's not legit if it's not from Switzerland. So whatever. This is my favorite lip liner ever. It's the KKW Beauty in the color Nude 1.5. Best lip liner. It does not matter what lip I'm going for, dark, light, pink, nude, whatever it is, this lip liner just works. It's so weird. It's so good, and I love this. It actually came as a duo with the Subtle Nude. Okay, last thing I have in this little bag, and I like to keep all my makeup, all of this stuff, always in this bag because in case anything spills, it's not going to spill all over bags that I have. So that's why. This is really cool. This is the Riki, R-I-K-I, Riki Cutie. This is a mirror. So let me just show you guys. It comes, of course now I can't get it out. Hold on. Okay, so you press it under here and it has like a little like ring insert. I don't want to blind you guys. So it has like the ring insert, and then the coolest part is you can hold it like this. So hold it like a little phone, and then it has this button on the back. Are you guys ready for this? You guys see? Oh, it kind of just blinded me. But it's a light up mirror. And this is so perfect for literally anything. It's just, it's flat, it's compact, it has the light. So like if you, I don't know, want to take a selfie, let me try it. Let me see if that even works. This is so weird. Hold on. If you want to take a selfie, or if you need to put your makeup on in an Uber, I've been there before. This is perfect. And it's so lightweight, and it's cute, it's compact, it fits everywhere. It fits in my wallet on a chains, and it's just so easy. So yeah, I think that is it for, oh my God, of course it's not going back in. And yeah, so I think that concludes the what's in my bag video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope one of the products that I used is useful to you guys in any way. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure to do that and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're coming from my Instagram, thank you so much for supporting, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, bye. Pretty smile, I just want your perfect mind, yeah.